Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing for you of these moisture absorbing hanging bags here. Just show you what's in them so you know what to expect. So, peel off tab. Show you too, once you open them, they do have the little tab on top so you can close it back up. Then put these out. So they come in a 3-pack. Here's what they look like, 3 individually sealed bags, and I'll open up one so you can get a closer look at it. So you see they come with this hanger type hook, so it's really easy to hang up in your bedroom closet or anywhere really, in the basement on a nail or something like that. You can see the components, parts in there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And, you know, that's about it. 3 of them, and that's what you get.